Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. My name is Albert Corey, and today we're going to talk about the 1099 miscellaneous income. This is the form that's sent out. A lot of people see this form. If you're an Uber driver, Lyft, DoorDash, if you're a subcontractor, a lot of times if people are paying you per job, that's what you get. It's a white form, and maybe I should have showed what one of those looks like. I should have. Give me a minute here. Let me show you what it's going to look like. I guess. Okay, let me see if we get one real quick. We're going to load one here. Okay. Presentation. Let's see. Let's see how to share. Hold on. Okay. Oh, actually, we're sharing someplace else. Let's see if we can. Okay, I think I got another screen. Let me stop this for a second. Presentation. Share screen. Oh, here it is. Okay, here's what one of them looks like. So this is probably, let me see if I got a better one for you. Well, this is what they look like. You'll get that from whoever you said you're a contractor. So they'll have your name online. Let's see, so we can't really see here. Really, they're looking for line 3, other income. So you're a contractor. So Uber's going to send this out to you, Lyft, and anybody. So you're going to get this from them. So now this goes on a Schedule C income because you're self-employed. So today we're going to go over some of the deductions. Let's see here. We're going to go over the deductions. Let me see here. Stop sharing. And we're going to go over the deductions. Give me a second here. Let's bring this back up. Are we sure? Yes, for sure. Oops, sorry. Like I said, we're learning better. Let's see here. Screen presentation. Oh, well. Let me get to stop sharing. We'll get here, Mayor. We'll get it here. Share screen. Window. There it is. There we are. Now we're here. So we're going to go over today some of the deductions you can use. Okay, if you have any questions, you could always go on the bottom. So these are deductions. My name is Albert Corey, and I've been assisting clients for almost 40 years. So 40 years. So these are some of the deductions that you can use to write off your taxes to start paying less to the IRS. Because on the profit, you got to pay Social Security tax. So these are some of the deductions we've been using for almost every day. If you email us at info@1040w2.com, we'll gladly send you a copy of this. You just got to put you saw us on a stream. So these are the deductions you can deduct. Obviously, the first one is accounting. How much did you pay to get it done? Another thing I will tell you, I would strongly recommend you do not use TurboTax to do this because they're not going to go. Make sure you know somebody who works for self-employed. So the second thing is advertising. That depending on what you're doing, if you're a painter or somebody and you're out there trying to get jobs, then that's a deduction. Auto expense. You're better to take the miles. This year, the IRS is giving you 64 cents a mile. So that's good. Bookkeeping, if you pay somebody to put your books, business cards, you make cards to give them out. Business miles. This is pretty good because the government's giving you like 61 cents a mile. If you watch some of my other videos, we're going to show you how to do it. Your cell phone is deductible. On that is you get a business percentage. Education, maybe you got to go to school to learn something, how to do it. Equipment, did you have to rent equipment to do it? Gas, I'm not really using gas that much because miles, you can either take your car or miles. Miles is usually better. Gifts, I give a lot of Christmas gifts and thank you gifts. Here's another big deduction is your home office. Home office is, you get a lot of deductions. So it's pretty much 20% of your rent, electric, garbage. I say 20% because the rule is what's the percentage of a room. So you take that percentage, divide about the square footage, of the apartment, or you also can take the HOA fees, cleaning fees, insurance. Do you need only insurance you use for the job? Legal and professional fees. Did you pay somebody to help you? Maintenance, repairs. Did you have repair equipment? Meals and entertainment. You use meals and entertainment for when, not when you're on your job eating, but maybe you need to take somebody out to, get the job. Office expense is, paper, pencils, anything about Office Depot, Office Max. Rent or lease. Maybe you're renting a warehouse. Maybe you had to go rent equipment. Tolls. Okay. Tolls. Depending if you're in an area, Florida has tremendous tolls. So tolls are deduction. Did you travel for business? Uniforms, utilities. You can get 100% utilities if you rented a warehouse. Some of the other expenses here, this is a really quick, really overview. If you call our office, we'll explain a lot to you. If you subscribe to my channel, I got plenty of videos that explain everything here. Here's some other deductions most people don't use. It's like, do you know, like your internet is also deductible? Your internet, some of Amazon is deductible. So that's just some of the deductions for today. My name is Albert Corey. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. We've been helping our clients for almost 40 years and saving them a lot of money. We got a free consultation. Let me run our little commercial that really explains our business later. And let me show this right now.
Did you max out your small business deductions to invest in your company? Did you take the 3 major deductions that are always missed? They could be saving you enough money to hire a new employee. Corey and Associates have asked the questions to get you the best accounting and tax advice. We file all the forms to file all federal, state, corporate, and business returns. We keep up with all the changes in the new tax laws so you don't have to. Would you pull your own tooth or go to a dentist? It's the same with bookkeeping. Let Corey and Associates do the bookkeeping for you. Now you'll have extra time to work on your business. With our fax and email services, it's done just like as if you were sitting right next to us. Please call 305-823-9228 or email Albert at 1040w2.com for our free consultation.
Okay, everybody. Well, that's for today's show. Like I always say, sharing is caring. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And we got a free consultation. Just call us below. Thank you and talk to you soon.